All right, guys, I thought I'd just make a short video about our online homework, Cengage, how to navigate it, how to use it. It's pretty straightforward, I think, but your review is gonna look a little different from mine. Look something like this. And basically, the only thing that you really need to pay attention to is the book. So click on this link to access the book if you want to read it. I don't strictly require that you do so, but of course, it's recommended that you follow along in the section that we're in. Pay attention to the chapters. You notice that our first week we're on chapter 2. So follow the chapter, not the assignment number or week number. We're starting with sets, so number 2. And then that's the chapter you're in. You can just navigate to the particular section. Starting with 2.1, click over here and takes you to the different subsections, subchapters, and also you can skip to individual topics that way. Okay, and the other thing that you would need to do is access the assignments. Because I haven't assigned anything quite yet since our week hasn't started. There's nothing here, but this is where the assignments are going to appear. All right, so since I can't access it as a student, I'm going to just show you the first assignment here as a teacher. So just don't pay attention to any of the things you're seeing right now. I know it's intimidating looking at all those what you call it, assignments. Don't worry, guys. So it's gonna come a little at a time. So you'll basically have like 2 homeworks a week, 1 or 2. Okay, so here's an example of assignment. It looks like this, yeah. And I don't want to show the answer key right now. Oh, I can't turn that off. What's happening? Oh yeah, it's just taking forever to load. Okay. So here's how your homework should look. To complete the whole thing, just answer all the questions until they turn green. If it turns green, that means you have credit for that question. So it's possible to get like partial credit on homework, depending on if you complete all the questions or not. I could complete 12 of the questions, 12 of the 13 questions, and I have 90 something percent on that homework assignment. Or if I only do one question, then that's how much credit I'll get for the homework assignment. Of course, you should do all your homework. My strong recommendation is that you do all your homework. If you do all your homework, all your classwork, then it makes passing the class really easy. If you have homework is 15%, classwork another 5%, which is, if you think about it, half a letter grade. If you do those two things, you basically change your overall score by 2 letter grades. So like if you're gonna get a an F with 50%, but you did all your homework and classwork, then you end up getting a C instead. It also means if you do all your homework and classwork that to pass the class, you only need about 60 something percent, a little over 60% on your exams average to pass with a C. Okay, let's look at an example. So let's say tell whether the set is well defined, set of male students. Okay, I'm gonna just say that it's not well defined here. As an example, I want to show you what happens if you get it wrong, except it's not allowing me to enter anything. What is happening? Okay, I don't know what's going on here, guys. This is a bit embarrassing. Um, I think it has something to do with this not being the true assignment here because I'm in the preview mode. But actually, that's strange because it's supposed to allow me to do it. Let me try to reopen this. Don't show me the answer key. All right, still not working. Okay, I'm just gonna have to describe it to you guys. Okay, so what I was planning to do was just to purposely get something wrong to show you that if you get something wrong, you can basically redo the question or a similar question until you get it right. If you don't know what's happening, you can click on read it or watch it to take you to a resource in the book that's going to help you answer the question. And then sometimes there's also an option to ask your instructor. I don't see it for these for some reason, but if that does not show up, you can always just email me the question that you're struggling with and I can help you out. Or you can set up an office hour. I guess, looking at it now that I'm going through all this trouble to make this, I'm seeing like I feel like it's kind of straightforward what you have to do. But if you're not sure about anything, then please always feel free to reach out. I'm happy to go over things with you, whether it be the individual question or whether it be how to navigate this whole WebAssign situation. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.